Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane. We've got some big news in the space of Polestar. Polestar raises the price of its single motor Polestar 2 by $2,500. The dual motor variant only saw a cost rise by $700. Now in March, Polestar announced that the single motor long range variant of its Polestar 2 EV coupe would be arriving immediately upon US shores and will be available starting at $45,900, $33,400 after federal and states incentives, while its dual motor sibling will start at $51,200. On Wednesday, the EV automaker announced that those prices would go up. The single motor variant will now start at $48,400, $40,900 after the $7,500 federal tax credit, while the dual motor all-wheel drive version will set buybacks a price of $51,900, $44,400 after the credit. That's after the federal tax credit. It seems the price hike is due in part to new standard features, updates and upgrades applied to the platform over the past 6 weeks. According to Polestar spokesperson, for those extra few hundreds of thousands of dollars, Polestar 2 buyers will have access not only to the 100+ OTA software updates that have already been released, including the one that boosts the dual motor driving range to a respectable 260 miles, but the new high-efficient heat pump announced in April and the more sensitive air control sensor as well. The air quality sensor is part of the $4,200 plus buyback and can show the driver a breakdown of air circulating outside of the vehicle, including pollen types, according to the release. Similarly, ordering the performance pack, a mere $5,500, will include the recent software upgrades that squeeze an extra 68 horsepower and 15 pound-feet of torque out of the dual motor. The Polestar 2 shoppers will also have their pick of 2 new exterior colors, a metallic shade called Jupiter, and the same metallic black space found on the Polestar 1, and a light grey zinc option for interior napper leather. Both the 19 and 20-inch rims designs have been updated as well. Now, of course, it wasn't too long ago that Polestar released a 2023 Polestar 2 EV that gets longer real-world range. This also means that it becomes more appealing to people who are considering buying a Model 3, but maybe they rather the look of the Polestar. Now obviously the biggest update so far is the standard single motor range that is sold in Europe. Improved cell chemistry boosted capacity from 60 kilowatts per hour to 69 kilowatts per hour, which increased the WLTP driving range from 273 miles to 295 miles. That's almost 300 miles. That's pretty incredible for an EV. So in addition, a new heat pump includes the Plus pack that has improved optimal temperature range that should result in increase in real-world range. And in other big news as well, Polestar has teamed up with Circular to employ blockchain traceability of mica using their construction, allowing the company to trace the minerals including cobalt, which it already tracks from source to finished product to ensure they're responsibly sourced and manufactured exclusively from suppliers who use renewable energy, which Polestar says it will result in a carbon emission CO2 reduction of 1,653 pounds. That's 750 kilowatts per car. Now before we finish up on this video, let's just take a moment to admire the amazing Polestar interior design of the 2023 Polestar 2. It's incredible. This car just keeps on being improved time after time, and it looks absolutely incredible for a 40 grand car. At least in the UK it's about 40 grand I believe, but it's really amazing. I really like the yellow seatbelt. I like the gear shifter even though it doesn't have any gears. It just looks really luxurious, but it doesn't stop there. Look at the seats. To detail, everything to detail, and these seats are made out of vegan material actually. Polestar is trying to be as renewable as possible. Even the seats in the back, they look incredible. Incredibly comfy, incredible for passengers, and once again, even the material that is used on the seats, it just looks like something that I've never seen before. I really like this. So obviously good for Polestar for stepping things up. The wheels have gotten an upgrade for this year. They're looking quite stunning. much more simplistic, much more in line with the vehicle, and quite different from what we've seen on the market. This is just a hell of a car. It's just a beautiful car and people are loving it. So we're going to end this video right here. Let me know what you think about the price hikes for Polestar 2. Obviously, this is next year's cars. We'll probably begin shipping or delivering in September, I believe. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe and I will see you in the next video.